Trillium Dynamix, and my name is Emily. I am pleased to introduce our new division in our company. A digital portfolio is a collection of digital artifacts that showcase an individual's skills, achievements, work, projects, and experiences. It serves as a comprehensive online representation of a person's capabilities and can be a valuable tool for personal branding, career development, and educational purposes. There are key aspects which are part of digital portfolio like content variety, showcasing skills, professional development, artistic expression, academic purposes, self-reflection, and personal branding. Comprehensive place to organize your skills and accomplishments in a visually appealing, professional and creative way for students, small and medium-sized business. At Trillium Dynamix, we help entrepreneurs, students, teachers to build their portfolio by identifying knowledge, skills, and abilities, gather evidence, organize, and assemble portfolio. Digital portfolios have become increasingly important in the digital age as they provide a dynamic and accessible way to showcase accomplishments, skills, and experiences. They are valuable tools for career development, networking, and personal growth, allowing individuals to tell their unique stories and make a memorable impression in an online world. Thanks for watching this presentation, and please stay tuned to know more about our organization.